6:45, we're back. Some students at O'Hara Catholic School in Eugene got a unique opportunity to study weather science. Some may even call it a very rare opportunity.
Yeah, take a look at this. It looks like a piece of styrofoam with batteries attached. This is actually part of a National Service weather balloon. It was discovered by little James's father while hunting. Now, if you ever find one, you'll discover information including a prepaid envelope to return it. But first, James, you saw him right there, brought it to his second grade classroom for show and tell, and it quickly turned into a science lesson.
I hadn't ever seen anything like that before, so we went back to the classroom and talked about how as students they've never seen anything, as most of your parents haven't seen anything related to weather, so it was pretty exciting to check out.
Students were so curious about the find. They had so many questions. I asked them how many. They all raised their hands, and I promised them meteorologist Melissa Fry could answer at least some of them. And one of the questions, Melissa, how big are the weather balloons? How big are they?
That is a great question. Weather balloons, they are so fascinating. This is something I always share with students when we head out. So again, yeah, how big are they? Here is your answer. There's actually two answers. They start out at about 6 feet in diameter when they're first blown up. So that's pretty big. That is taller than your teacher, likely. But then as they grow and head into the higher elevations of the atmosphere, they actually expand, and they can grow as large as 20 feet. They climb to over 100,000 feet, and get this, 1,800 balloons are released every single day across the world. That amounts to over 650,000 every year. So you can see why the National Weather Service does want you to return them, because obviously they can reuse them and they are expensive, but they only get about 20% returned each year. So if you ever do find one of those, yeah, it comes with an envelope. You just put it in there, you mail it back to them, and they'll repurpose it and send it back to space again. It's crucial. We use this for weather data. I use it all morning long, every single day. So it's a great tool that we do have.
Yeah,
and
very cool.
Yeah, and if you have a weather question that you'd like to ask, just head over to the weather page on KAZI.com. Put your questions in like we did. I got one yesterday, and we'll answer them every Wednesday night and Thursday morning.
An interesting little fact, too, that balloon was actually dated back to 2009. It was just found.
Yeah. Just found now.
Yeah.
They can land anywhere. They travel hundreds of miles.
So now you know, if you see a piece of styrofoam, it might just not be junk.
It might be something special.
And you have to blow them up yourself? I'd like to,
a lot of hot air. We've got a lot of hot air to get rid of. Yeah.
It takes a lot.